Welcome back, guys. So right now, we want to back up our website. We want to create some maintenance practices. We want to start some maintenance practices here on Hostinger. So you have to come right here, and we have everything that you need. So we are going to come to your website. You have to come to your dashboard. So we have AI PSDs to come. So come to your dashboard to check for some maintenance practices. So here we have the overview and everything. So we have backups daily. It has been set to daily, so you have to just come right here, and when you come to check your backup, you're going to see what to back up. So you could easily restore your website. You could easily do some files backup. You could do some daily backups, and you could generate a new backup. So right now, I want to full website restore. You could see currently you could choose a backup date, and this was the last update, so you could actually restore your website to where it was. It is as easy as that. You could do that as well. But right now, so let's say you want to restore our website to what it was yesterday. Currently, let's see what we have right now. So we are going to try to restore it to what it was yesterday. So let's do that right now. So you could say we want to restore it to what it was yesterday. So we're going to click on this. We're going to try to restore that, and let's say this I understand. So I'm going to restore the website. Let's see what it brings for us. So it says website restore can take up to 10 to 15 minutes. Can close window for now. Then you that way we get to restore our website to what it was like yesterday. That's if in case there's an incident or something. Then you could go on to do some backup like daily backups. You have daily backups for this. Then you could generate a new backup if you want to, in case, and we have all that. So basically you could do your backup from here, and that's how to back up your website from Hostinger. Then you could go ahead to your main dashboard to check for issues. So you could come to your main dashboard. So in your main dashboard, you could easily check for, we are waiting for this to restore the website. So without that, we cannot actually do anything on the website because the website is being restored and we're going to get that update. But we could carry out backups, and these were to carry out your backups. So I just show you where to carry out your backups. So different backup strategy has been put in place by Hostinger. You don't need to bother yourself too much about backing up your website. You could always get your backup. You could always get the updates. So we could go to another part of the website. So let's check for websites so we could see how backup works. Then we have these, we have bilatech.com. So I could come to bilatech.com. I'll just come to my dashboard here on bilatech.com. Then you'll see something like backup, just as usual. This backup right here, and here in backup you could choose to back up your files. You could choose to back up the database, so it depends on what you want to back up. So we could say we want to back up our files, and yeah, you're going to have the dates you can back up your files to. So we are going to have the dates we can back up our files to. So I'm going to back it up to like 5th, yes. Then I'm going to next this step, and having to come to the next step is going to bring you to where you're going to have the backup, everything you need to back up. So you can just select all to back up everything you needed to back up about the website, and this way you're going to download all files. Then you can have a backup on your local storage, so it's going to prepare backups for download, and this way you have your full website backup in case anything happens to your website, and this way you'll be able to access your website from anywhere and anytime. In case your website runs into an issue, you can easily go and create a new hosting platform, create a new hosting plan, and just create a backup for your new hosting plan. Then that way you start afresh. Then your website comes back to normal, all your content comes back to normal. But right now we are preparing backups for downloads, and we've done something about restoring a website as well. So let's see how that goes. And that way you carry out some website maintenance. Carrying out your website maintenance is as simple as that. And there's another thing you might love to do. So you might love to come to your main dashboard. So when you come to your main dashboard on WordPress, you'll be able to access your dashboard. So let me just come to my dashboard on WordPress, and right here you'll be able to log in. You have to log in because of that. So we have a backup going on right now, And right now, we're going to wait for that to happen. And that's how to just prepare backups. It's just a simple maintenance practice. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.